Hey guys, Get Level here with a quick video. Streamlabs OBS just put out a new version which is 0.18 and it has a few changes to it. I'm going to quickly go over the most noticeable changes, but we are going to focus on something called Selective Recording. First of all, if you don't want to listen to me, you can click over here and click the notification window and it will tell you literally everything that has changed. Okay, so top left here, we used to have an editor tab plus a live tab, activity tab, I don't remember, but basically they combined both. So you have a mini feed right here, and then you have your normal editor tab. So if you missed an alert or you don't want to be reading your alert on screen, you can know what happened right here. Something that I also noticed is that the dashboard is back, it's right here. Anyway, so the focus of this video is selective recording. As you can see, there's a new icon on top of your source list right here. And basically what that means is that you can deactivate certain sources to not be included in the recording. Okay, so let's say I'm playing a game. So here's my webcam overlay, this is my face, and I have very invasive alerts, for example. Like that. Oh my god, that was loud. That actually scared me. And I don't want those to show on my recording. So what I can do is toggle selective recording right there, and it will add this little icon in front of everything. So I'm gonna find my alert box. So I'm gonna click once, it's gonna change the icon to this. I can also click again and click a third time to go back to include it. Basically, they have this article that will give you all the information, will be linked in the description below. This means visible on both stream and recording. This means only visible on stream. That means only your stream can see it, but not the recording. And only visible on recording. I believe that means that your stream will not be able to see it, but it will be included in your recording. Now, this is useful for alerts. It's also useful for your webcam. Maybe your webcam is blocking something, or you want just raw footage from the gameplay. Maybe you're editing it for YouTube or something like that. So it opens a window to so many possibilities. Let's try hiding my camera, for example. I would do this, and I'm gonna click on it once. I'm gonna hide my alerts. And right now I have the icons on only visible on stream, so not in the recording. Now, how would you test that before recording? Something you can do is just, I believe, right click anywhere. Yes. And then you can create recording output projector. That is a separate window that will open and that will show you what exactly will show up on your recording. Oh, and look at that. It shows the gameplay without my camera. And that's how simple it is. And of course, once you tested it out and it looks the way you want it to look, you can even close this and then just hit the record button right here. If it's your first time ever recording, you'll want to know where your recording path is and all the options. So all you have to do is click on the settings, bottom left, go to output, and then scroll down to recording. So as you can see, you can browse to select a folder to record to, and then you can choose the quality, the recording format, the encoder, and everything related to recording, basically. So this article will be linked in the description. It has all the instructions plus their own video tutorial that you can check out. Now, two things I want to say before I end this video. One, I have a total of 3 overlay packs just specifically made for Halloween over at gumroad.com/getlevel. One pack is free. The 2 other packs are super cheap. I'm talking 99 cents cheap, although the price may go up. So grab them right now. Second thing is the cat ears are back. So if you want to see them in action, you can check me out on twitch.tv/getlevel. Basically, those blink and move, reacting to Twitch alert and chat, just like that. So follow me on Twitch to see them in action. So that's it for this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there, make me proud. Get Level out.